Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. A foundational shift just occurred in the United States diagnostics landscape. The FDA has finalized its rule to regulate laboratory-developed tests, or LDTs, as medical devices. For decades, these tests, which are designed, manufactured, and used within a single laboratory, existed in a state of enforcement discretion. They were primarily regulated under CLIA standards, not the stringent pre-market approval and post-market surveillance frameworks applied to commercially manufactured in vitro diagnostics. This approach allowed for rapid innovation, particularly in genomics and personalized medicine, enabling academic medical centers and specialized labs to quickly bring novel tests to patients. However, this regulatory gray area also raised significant concerns about the clinical validity and analytical accuracy of many tests being used to make critical healthcare decisions. The new rule changes everything. It systematically phases out the enforcement discretion policy over the next 4 years. This means labs performing LDTs will now be treated as medical device manufacturers. They will be subject to the full spectrum of FDA requirements, including registration and listing, quality system regulation, medical device reporting for adverse events, and, most critically, pre-market review. For many institutions, this is a seismic challenge. A university lab that pioneered a test for a rare disease must now develop the infrastructure for regulatory submissions, a process that can cost millions and require a specialized team they do not have. The strategic questions are immediate and complex. Does it make sense to build a quality management system from the ground up? Should they seek a strategic partnership with an established IVD company that already has this expertise? Or will they be forced to discontinue a vital test because the path to compliance is simply too expensive? This new regulation aims to ensure all diagnostic tests are safe and effective, but it could also inadvertently reduce access to essential niche tests and consolidate the market, favoring larger players. The coming years will be a period of intense transition for the diagnostics industry. Navigating this new reality requires deep regulatory expertise. For help with your market access strategy, you can email info@pureglobal.com or visit Pure Global online.